makers! Today, we're diving into this fun car organizer using the vibrant Sunrise Sunset fabric collection by Jessica Swift, perfect for keeping your road trips colorful and organized. Materials, fabric requirements, and measurements are listed below in the description. Let's get started! Layer your backing, batting, and main body fabric and quilt as desired. Stay tuned until the end of the video for a sneak peek at our long arm quilting this amazing texture. Fold a 7 by 19 paper rectangle in half and mark 5 inches away from the center at the top, half an inch from the bottom edge. Make a smooth curve connecting these points and cut the excess. Place the pattern on top of your quilted piece and mark along the curves and cut the excess. Sew together pockets 3, 4, and 5, forming a long rectangle. Fuse all lining pieces to their corresponding interfacing. Place your pocket pieces wrong side up and line up its corresponding lining to the bottom edge. Fold over 3/4 of an inch down and another 3/4 again. Press and top stitch at 5/8 of an inch. Repeat for all pocket pieces. Lining up at the bottom, stack pockets 7, 8, and 9. Mark a vertical line 2, 4, and 6 inches away from the left edge, up to the top of pocket 8, and stitch on these lines. Backstitching at beginning and end. This is the pocket arrangement for the organizer. Finish the following edges of the pockets with either a serger or the zigzag setting of your sewing machine for a clean finish. Take pocket 2 and mark half an inch from the left edge and fold under. Mark a 1/4 inch away from the edge and make a 1/2 inch pleat away from the 1/4 inch mark. Use an iron to help set the seam down and pin to hold the pleat. Repeat with pocket number 1, making the pleat fold this time on the right edge. Mark a line 5 inches down from the top of the organizer. With the lining facing up, place the bottom edge of pockets 1 and 2 along the marked line and the edge of the organizer. Sew both pockets with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Flip the pockets upwards and sew down the center side seams, careful not to catch the pleat. Backstitch several times on each top edge to secure. Take the middle pocket unit and make 1 inch pleat marks away from both sides of the center seams. Mark 1/2 inch away from the edges and make a 1 inch pleat mark away from the initial mark. Fold the 1 inch marks towards the center seams and hold the pleat down with pins. Fold the 1 inch pleat towards the edge, making sure the pleat ends on the 1/2 inch mark we made away from the edge earlier. Pockets 3 and 5 finished measurement is 5 inches wide and 8 inches wide for pocket number 4. Mark a line 9 inches down from the bottom edge of pockets 1 and 2. With the lining side up, line the bottom edge of the pocket unit and sew with the 1/2 inch seam allowance. Flip the pockets up and stitch in the ditch of the center seams of each pocket, backstitching at the top several times to secure, and base stitch along the side edges. The middle pocket unit is now secured, revealing 3 beautiful pleated pockets. Take pocket number 6 and insert the 1/4 inch elastic through the opening at the top edge. Sew the elastic at the right edge to secure it in place. Fold 1/2 inch down on the right side and hold with pins. Flip to the lining side and fold in half to mark the middle point. Make a 1/2 inch to a 1 inch pleat in this center, depending on the size of your favorite water bottle. Place the pocket along the left bottom edges and pin in place. Insert your water bottle and pull on the elastic until the bottle is snug inside the pocket. Stitch all around the pocket, backstitching several times at the beginning and at the end to secure the elastic. Remember to remove the water bottle before taking it to your sewing machine. Take the pocket unit with 7, 8, and 9 and fold 1/2 inch on the left edge and hold with pins. Line the pocket unit along the right edge and sew starting on the left side, following the bottom and right edge, backstitching at the beginning and end. Take the 4x4 sunglasses piece, fold in half and press. Open and fold the edges in so they meet at the middle fold line and press. Fold the piece closed and press once more. Edge stitch all around. Repeat with the long top strap. Fold in the edges 1/2 inch and place between pockets 1 and 2. Stitch on the sides to secure down. Flip the organizer and cut the excess of pockets 1 and 2. Use a basting stitch on the sides to hold it down. Clip the top strap in place along the top edges where the curves start and stitch down. Take the 1 inch elastic and measure 5 inches up from the bottom of the organizer on the left and right sides. Stitch the elastic down, backstitching several times to secure. For this project, we are using 3 strips of the 2.5 edition binding. Don't forget to watch the quick tutorial on how fun and easy it is to use this revolutionary binding. Link for the video will be in the description. Flip your binding over and use as many clips or pins as you need to have fun and sew the binding down. And we are finished! Your unique car organizer is all set to bring some color and fun to your road trips. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give this video a big thumbs up and follow the Art Gallery channel for more quilting inspiration. Until next time, happy sewing!